Ram is arriving late to the EV party with its Revolution concept. Ford is already selling the F-150 Lightning, and Chevrolet hopes to begin Silverado EV production in the spring. The concept Ram revealed at this year's CES looks quite promising, but it might not look like the production version scheduled to go on sale sometime in 2024. The truck that the brand showed off at CES was fully electric. The automaker didn't disclose any details about the powertrain, performance figures, or range. However, the truck will have more than just a battery when it enters production. The automaker plans to offer the next generation pickup with a range extender, pairing the electric powertrain with a gas engine even though a pure BEV is the company's goal. Adding a gas engine will help set Ram's truck apart from Ford and Chevy's, especially regarding towing capability. Heavy loads hurt an EV's range. Ram packed the concept with plenty of technology that could end up in the production version. The truck's 800-volt DC system with up to 350 kW fast charging and the 4-wheel steering will likely make it over to the real thing. The 24-inch wheels, digital side view mirrors, and level 3 capability might not. Inside, features like the 28-inch dual-screen infotainment setup, capacitive steering wheel controls, and an augmented reality head-up display are also possible goodies coming to the truck.